We arrived.
It's so fucking good. Right now we getting one.
Oh, that is so good. We're at the outlets and there's so many stores. There's Gap. Oh my god. I kind of want to buy. I know. We're meeting up with my niece and her grandma.
You like it?
I love you. Rebecca. Look at all these cool things. I don't know what shop I just came into. Just came into it. This is really cool. Look at the dream catchers.
Up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me.
Anyways, after we went to the outlet, we went home and then decided to come to the beach with Nayeli. And I'm drinking some raspberry lemonade. Alright, we devoured, now we out of here. I can never open her door. There you go. I believe later we're gonna go watch the fireworks. The what? Oh, I was gonna say we're gonna watch the fireworks. I'm wearing the same outfit as earlier, just with the skirt now.
And we're on our way to go watch the fireworks. I just know it's really, really packed. There's probably gonna be no parking lot.
I get copyrighted. We found parking by Staples. Where are they not getting out? Me already ready. There's so many people. Like, a lot. It's over. We're walking back to our couple, but we didn't really need our blankets because it's really full, so there's really nowhere to lay down our blankets. But
made it home. Just chilling in the fire pits. Look at that.
and I think right now we're about to go get some food, and we're gonna go back to the parking lot to go take those photos because it's very packed there, so couldn't take the photos until now. But it's honestly really, really cold, and I kind of like want to burn my feet at this point. Taking Perla's photos, just looking through them. We're at the parking lot. And go. We're trying to figure out what we want to eat, but we don't know. We don't know. There's so much fireworks going on still. I love. Finally, we're leaving because this place is a little scary, not gonna lie. I get a little stout. I'm just being like alone. Being completely empty is scary. It's getting very much like a murder scene. I forgot to record, but we just got a sandwich from Safeway because everything was closed since it's 4th of July. And we just got chips. That's our leftover wrapper. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I will see you guys next time. Bye.